Next stop, Home
At the
Bar.
roundabout, take the first exit on Topito Way, then the destination.
Yo, what's up guys, Christos here and welcome back for another video. And we are out doing some sourcing today. I know it's the type of video that you guys want to see. So it's the last day that I've got to get stock sourced and shipped before Christmas. I'm taking you guys with me. It's quite early. I've got my Monster. Is it a Monster? Yeah, it's a Monster. So get the energy in and to see how much money we can make. Okay, so reached the first destination, which is B&M. Gonna go into this one and I'm mainly going to be looking for like confectionery, real seasonal things that I can get in. It's the end of November now. I want to get them in for early December for those people buying those like stocking Christmas presents and stuff like that. So I'm going to be spending a lot of time in the confectionery area and just scouting out some things because I'm going to be popping into other B&Ms as the day goes on. So if I find something that's a winner and they've only got a couple of items in stock, I'll be hitting up the other B&Ms and hopefully clearing them out as well. So fingers crossed to see how I get on. Okay, so not a terrible start there. Sorry I didn't film inside. I actually bumped into one of my best friends, Giorgio Flips, another Amazon FBA reseller, and we just started speaking, so I actually forgot to film everything, but picked up a couple of items. Like I said, I was looking for the groceries and the like chocolates and stuff. Picked up these After Eights mint and marzipans for $1.99 each, and they're going to make me about £2 or £3 profit per sale, which was really good. Picked up some Stranger Things toys. These were also, I believe, $1.99 or maybe $2.99, and they're going to make me around £2. So not massive profits here, but they're all just real quick sellers and good ROIs. Yeah, there's another Stranger Things there. I've just picked out a couple of the items that I picked up. I didn't want to show them all. Maybe I'll do something at the end of the vlog, just recapping everything that I bought. But yeah, good start. I think I spent about £100 in that one, and it's going to net me around about £45 profit. Not bad. See you at the next place. Alright guys, so another £100 spent in home bargains back there. You're probably thinking by now, how come you are starting to show all of the products that you're buying? This isn't what I'm used to seeing in your videos. Reason being is, I've been thinking a lot over the last couple of months about how I should film my vlogs in the future, because I want to bring as much value to you as possible, and I'm starting to think, me just saying I went into a shop and I spent 100, made so-and-so, isn't going to bring much value. I know a lot of people like to watch these vlogs to give them inspiration and motivation that the products are out there. So the way I'm going to do it going forward is actually film everything that I'm doing when I'm going out RA sourcing, and then actually just waiting maybe a month or 5 weeks until my products have actually hit the Amazon fulfillment center and have actually sold, or at least the majority of them have sold, so I can actually show you and inspire you that the products are still out there. But I also don't want to jeopardize my own business at the same time. So hopefully this way is going to be a better way of filming vlogs, and we can produce more content in the future. Okay, so we're at stop number 3 now. It is another home bargains. I am hoping that I can find some of the same items that I picked up in the last stop, because they were really good sales ranks and I'm expecting them to sell well before Christmas. So wish me luck. I'll show you how I get on. Right guys, so another £109 in that one, I believe. Just a quick note, as you could see, I was buying a lot of the same products, and I just want to say, before anyone jumps on and say, you were showing a lot of products there that were showing very low profits. One thing that I do with my business, it is completely ROI based. So if I'm spending $1.99 and I'm making £1 on that item, that's a really good return on investment for me. You know, it's over 50% or just over 50%. And I hope I got my maths right there. But yeah, do not focus on the actual profit number. Think about the ROI and the return on investment that you're getting. But yeah, as you saw, a lot of the items there were items that I picked up at the other home bargains. Some of them are really good sales rank. So like I said before, I'm really expecting those to sell out way before Christmas, hopefully almost in the first week that I send them in. What I'm going to do now is head over to Tesco's over there, because it's now 3:30 and I haven't eaten a thing yet, and a big boy like me needs his food. So I'm going to go and grab some food and then hit a couple more stores and look for some Advent or kind of Christmassy things, seasonal goods in the last couple of stores, pick up some more boxes, and then I'll be heading back to pack all of these products. So see you shortly. Right guys, that's just about going to do it for sourcing today. £55 spent in that store, not the highest, but like we say in this game, profit is profit and every little helps towards that final total. But what I'm going to do now is head to my parents' house to pick up some boxes to complete my final shipment of the year. And what I'll be doing from there is giving you guys a rough total on how much I'm going to make from today's haul, just on potential profits, and how quickly it's all going to sell as well. So I shall see you guys back at the flat. Okay guys, so back at the flat now, had a shower, had some dinner, and I'm all ready to go. So I've just totaled up today's profits, and the total spend of the day was £392, leaving me a potential profit of just over £200, so £210. Notice that I did say potential profit. That is because I can't really judge exactly how much profit there's going to be because of different price changes and fluctuations. Price could go down, it could also go up, so we never know, but just taking a rough estimated guess, it's going to be around £210 in profit. So a really good day. I managed to actually get quite a lot of personal things done today, which I didn't put in the vlog, simply because I don't think it would have been very valuable to you. But it was nice to get all of that done whilst making some money doing some retail arbitrage as well. But before you go, there's a couple of things that I want you to take away from this video, and why I have made a video like this, and why I will be making videos like this in the future. Number one is that this video has not been made to brag about how much profit I have made in one day or a couple of hours or whatever. This video has been made as inspiration and motivation that the products are out there. Maybe if you have been doing some retail arbitrage and you haven't found some items, just watching this video is proof that the items are out there. So number two is to actually focus more on the ROI than the actual profit. So as I mentioned earlier in the vlog, you should be focusing more on the ROI. I think you should have a minimum profit that you should make. So for me, I normally set it around £1 minimum profit per product. But let's say you were spending £3 on a product and it was returning a £1.50 profit. That's actually a 50% ROI on that product, which is a really good ROI for retail and online arbitrage. So focus more on the ROI than the actual profit. And number three really should come without saying, and that is not to copy the items that I'm sourcing in in this video. So I'm going to be releasing this video at least 2 months after the day that I film it. And the reason why I'm doing that is because, one, I want to protect the integrity of my business, and two, if you were to go out and buy all of these products and everyone else was watching this video went and done the same, then you're going to have a very competitive product and you will probably lose money because people will be trying to penny pinch and stuff like that. So just don't risk it and try and buy any of the products that you have found in this video. Just use it as motivation, and like I said, most of them probably won't be there now anyway. But yeah, that's going to do it, guys. I hope you enjoy the video. Get yourself out there doing some retail arbitrage. There's plenty of opportunities still in there, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.